It's Valentine's Day, a day for romance, sex, and sexy romance. So, fun fact, I've only ever had one boyfriend in my life, and he died. So, I spend most of my Valentine's Day alone. And I know that's not just me, a lot of people are single on Valentine's Day, or maybe have experienced heartbreak on Valentine's Day. So this video is for you. Hello, welcome back to my story. If you did not know, my name is Harley Nouveau, and the purpose of this channel is to document my journey towards my North Star, while hopefully helping you find yours along the way. So if that sounds like the place for you, then subscribe to my channel and add your name to the storybook that is my life. In today's chapter, I have the second tutorial that I promised you, the more wearable one. And I decided to take a page out of a video I saw 2 years ago, and the premise was makeup for my ex's funeral. Now, as I said, there are people who have experienced heartbreak. Maybe things just didn't work out, and Valentine's Day is a sad day for them. So I wanted to do a makeup tutorial that would make you A, feel like a bad bitch, and B, kind of show the person that let you go what they might be missing out on. So today's look is very inspired by that concept. I wish I had something red to go with it because I've always loved the concept of wearing red to a funeral, but I don't. Sorry. Now, I am going to be trying out a new format in this tutorial. It is going to be basically no talking for the tutorial portion of this. I'm just going to be showing you the products I'm using, showing you me applying them, and then text will be on the screen saying what they are in the event that you didn't catch that. So, without further ado, if you want to see how I got this look, keep on watching. And that is that. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I actually really like how this came out. I do wish I had a little bit more blush going on, but maybe that's just me. You know, not everyone likes blush the same as others, but I'm really pleased. I feel like this look is very sultry, seductive, fierce. But sound off in the comments below how you feel about the way this turned out, or how you feel about this tutorial style. I'm gonna try it out a few more times, flipping between this and my usual style to see what I wanna go with, but your comments and feedback definitely help me know which direction to take it, so let me know for sure if you like this, or if you prefer my more talky type of tutorials. But with all of that being said, happy Valentine's Day, everybody. Technically it's tomorrow. I'm filming this the day before, but you know, what can you do about it? But happy Valentine's Day. I hope that if you do have someone with you, that it's a very special, fulfilling day. And if you don't sweat it. Plenty of fish in the sea. You'll get someone eventually, or you'll love yourself enough that you won't need someone else. So with all of that being said, I'm Harley Nouveau, and I wish each of you every happiness until our stars next to light.